Today, we're making stir-fried crab with curry powder, a milder and gentler Thai curry, but still packed with flavors. The genius of the dish is that the eggs form the sauce. Normally, it's helped with a bit of milk, but today, because we're using a dressed crab, we're going to help the eggs form the sauce with some brown crab meat. Because this is an egg dish, once you finish prepping, it cooks extremely fast. So, let's prepare our vegetables. We're gonna slice an onion, relatively thin, some red chilli, a few cloves of garlic. And as usual, we're putting the garlic separately because they burn faster, so we add them later. And the scallion. We're gonna use the white for the stir fry and the green for the garnish. And now, the egg. Remember, this is gonna form the sauce, so be a bit generous. Now, many recipes calls for the chili powder and the chili paste to be added with the egg and the milk and everything else. I personally like to cook out the chili powder and the chili paste to concentrate the flavors and to have a bit more control. To the egg mixture, we're gonna add a bit of soy sauce for seasoning and for umami. Same with the oyster sauce. And we're ready to cook. Hot pan, and we add some vegetable oil. Once the oil is kind of shimmering, the veg goes in. We're not seasoning with salt here, just because the chili paste itself is very salty. And we've added the soy sauce already to the egg mixture. The steam that you see, that's water content from the onions, from the scallion, evaporating, concentrating their flavors. Now that the onions are translucent, garlic goes in. Once the garlic's fragrant, meaning you could smell this beautiful garlic smell, we're gonna add the curry powder. This is Indian curry powder, which is very turmeric based. That's gonna give us this beautiful orange color. Now, the Nam Prik Pao, Thai roasted chili paste, a decent tablespoon. If the bottom starts to look like it's burning a bit, you can always lower the heat or add a dash of water. Once this is equally distributed, we start to build our sauce. First, the brown meat. Now we lower the heat a tiny bit, just for more control. Well, traditionally throughout Asia, people serve crab on the shell, which is extremely tasty. Normally I like to cater to my guests, and if they're not accustomed to doing that, I rather use dressed crab. It makes it easier for everyone. And using a dressed crab also gives us the opportunity to use the brown meat to form the basis of our sauce. As you can see, we are already achieving a thick curry paste texture. Now, we first add the white crab meat. Beautiful. Oh, smells like the sea right now. Now, we can add the egg. Because you're building the sauce, you don't want the eggs too dry. The residual heat is almost enough to cook the egg already. Literally 10 seconds, stove off, scallion for garnish, and now we can plate. This is so beautiful, honestly. Wow. We have the rice killer. This here would easily kill at least a few bowls. And this is a very flavoursome dish. You need rice. Of course, last but not least, a bit more fresh scallion for colour, brightness and balance. And there you have it, stir-fried crab with curry powder. I really hope you enjoy. Beautiful.